90% of Japanese car owners are wasting money at the detail shop, paying for services they could easily do themselves. But here's the twist. Detailers have been sitting on these hacks for years and never bother sharing them. One trick alone could save you hundreds in detailing over the life of your car, and chances are you have no idea it exists. Before you spend another dollar on a detail package, here are 15 car cleaning hacks every Japanese car owner should know. Don't skip ahead. This one will save you real money. Hack number 15. Dish soap floor mat revival. Your floor mats take more abuse than almost anything else in your car. Salt, mud, spilled coffee, it all ends up there. Here's the deal. Pull the mats out, rinse them off, then scrub them with a mix of dish soap and water using a stiff brush. Rinse again and let them dry in the sun. If you want them looking brand new, finish with a thin coat of rubber protectant once they're dry. It brings back the black color and helps stop cracking from sun exposure. This whole job costs about $2 in soap and protectant. New mats run $150 or more, and a detail shop charges around $40 just to clean the ones you already own. Next up, a fix for foggy mirrors that most drivers have never tried. Hack number 14. Shaving cream mirror defogger. Rain or a cold morning turns your side mirrors useless, covered in droplets or fog you can't wipe away fast enough. Here's the deal. Use actual foam shaving cream, not gel. Spread a thin layer across the mirror with a dry cloth, let it sit for 2 minutes, then buff it off completely. Here's the kicker. It leaves behind an invisible coating that repels water for weeks so rain beads up and slides off instead of fogging the glass. A can of shaving cream costs about $3. An anti-fog treatment at a shop runs $50 for the same result. This next one turns something in your shower into a tire treatment. Hack number 13. Hair conditioner tire shine. Sun, road salt, and brake dust leave your tires looking dull and dried out. Here's the deal. Apply a small amount of hair conditioner to a cloth and rub it into the tire in circular motions. The conditioner restores moisture to the rubber and brings back a deep black color without the greasy sling you get from cheap tire shine. It lasts for weeks, even through a car wash or two. A bottle of conditioner costs about $5 and treats every tire on the car many times over. Shops charge $40 just to shine your tires during a detail. What they don't tell you is this is close to the exact same product with a fancier label. This next trick handles one of the grossest parts of your car in under 3 minutes. Hack number 12. Baby wipe steering wheel clean. Oils from your hands, sweat, and general grime build up on your steering wheel until it feels sticky no matter how many times you wipe it down. Here's the deal. Grab a baby wipe and scrub the wheel directly. The mild cleaning agents cut through built-up residue without damaging leather, vinyl, or plastic. Your steering wheel goes from grimy to clean in under 3 minutes. A pack of baby wipes costs about $3 and handles this job dozens of times. Shops charge $20 to $30 just to clean the steering wheel as part of a full interior detail. Speaking of things you're probably ignoring, this next one deals with pet hair that vacuums never quite get. Hack number 11. Rubber glove pet hair removal. If your dog or cat rides along regularly, you already know pet hair gets embedded deep in the seats and carpet where a vacuum barely touches it. Here's the deal. Put on a pair of rubber dishwashing gloves and rub your hands across the seats in short, quick strokes. The rubber creates enough friction and static to pull hair out in clumps you can just lift away by hand. You'll clear more hair in 2 minutes this way than in 20 minutes with a vacuum. A pair of gloves costs about $5. Pet hair removal at a detail shop runs $50 to $75 for the same result. Before we get to the ones that actually prevent expensive damage, do me a favor. Hit that like button and subscribe. We put a lot of research into this one and it genuinely helps us keep making content like this for you. Done. Thanks, that actually helps more than you'd think. Hack number 10. Silicone spray door seal saver. Door seals dry out and crack over time, which is why your doors start squeaking, or your cabin lets in road noise it never used to. Here's the deal. Spray a light coat of silicone lubricant on every door, trunk, and hood seal, then wipe it evenly with a clean cloth. Silicone penetrates the rubber and keeps it flexible instead of letting it turn brittle and crack. Do this every few months and your seals can last the life of the car. A can costs about $5 and lasts for years. Waiting until the seals actually fail means a repair bill in the hundreds, instead of a 5-minute fix. Next, a trick that stops rust before it ever starts underneath your car. Hack number 9, WD-40 Undercarriage Rust Protector. Road salt, mud, and moisture splash up underneath your car constantly, and over time that turns into serious rust on the frame and suspension. Here's the deal. Jack the car up or use ramps, then spray WD-40 across the exposed metal underneath, focusing on the frame and any spots where you see surface rust starting. The WD-40 displaces moisture and creates a barrier against future rust. Doing this once or twice a year, especially before winter, can prevent thousands of dollars in rust repair. A couple of cans cost about $12. Dealership undercoating packages run $300 to $600 for essentially the same protection. Hack number 8, Cabin Filter Essential Oil Drop. Your cabin filter keeps dust and pollen out of the car, but here's something worth knowing. Next time you swap it, add 2 or 3 drops of essential oil directly onto the new filter before installing it. As air moves through the filter, it carries a light scent through the whole cabin naturally. No clip-on air freshener needed. It lasts for weeks depending on how often you drive. A bottle of essential oil costs a few dollars, and this uses only a couple drops per filter change. Scented filters at the dealership run $30 to $50 for the same effect. This next hack fixes the streaks that regular glass cleaner just can't touch. Hack number 7, Vinegar Windshield Streak Killer. No matter how much glass cleaner you use, your windshield always ends up with streaks or a hazy film that gets worse under headlights at night. Here's the deal. Mix equal parts white vinegar and water in a spray bottle, apply it to the glass, then wipe with crumpled newspaper instead of a paper towel. The acid in the vinegar cuts through the oily film that regular cleaner just smears around. A bottle of vinegar costs about $2 and cleans every window in the car dozens of times over. Professional glass treatments run $15 or more for a result you can match at home for pocket change. Hack number 6, baking soda paint stain remover. Bird droppings, tree sap, and bug splatter aren't just ugly. They're acidic enough to damage your clear coat if left too long. Here's the deal. Mix 3 parts baking soda with 1 part water into a paste, apply it to the stain, and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. The mild abrasive and alkaline properties break the stain down without scratching the paint. Scrub gently, rinse, and the spot comes out looking factory fresh. A box of baking soda costs about $2 and lasts for years of use. Paint decontamination at a detail shop runs $50 to $75 for the same fix. Up next, a trick using something already sitting in your pantry. Hack number 5, rice condensation killer. Cold mornings mean fogged up windows from the inside, and running the defroster only clears it for a few minutes before it comes right back. Here's the deal. Fill a cloth bag or old sock with dry rice, tie it off, and leave it on the dashboard or under a seat. The rice absorbs excess moisture from the air inside the cabin, which cuts down on both the fogging and the musty smell that comes with trapped humidity. Replace it every few months. This setup costs about $1. Moisture absorber products at the store run $10 to $20 for the same basic idea, just in nicer packaging. Hack number 4, pencil graphite ignition fix. Over time, the tiny pins inside your ignition cylinder get sticky, and your key starts turning harder until one day it sticks or even snaps off. That's a locksmith call and a bill north of $300. Here's the deal. Rub the grooves of your key thoroughly with a regular number 2 pencil, insert it into the ignition, and turn it a few times. The graphite works into the pins and lubricates the mechanism without attracting dirt the way oil-based sprays do. Never use WD-40 in a lock. It actually makes the sticking worse over time. This costs a few cents and takes 30 seconds, and it prevents a problem that could leave you stranded. Hack number 3. The fuel cap hook nobody notices. This one isn't a cleaning trick, but it prevents a repair bill that can run into the thousands, so it's worth knowing. Open your fuel door and look inside it. There's a small hook or slot built specifically to hold your fuel cap while you're filling up. Here's the kicker. Most drivers let the cap dangle, set it on the roof, or rest it on the dirty pump itself, which lets grime and debris get into the fuel system once the cap goes back on. That leads to clogged injectors and, eventually, real engine damage. Hooking the cap in while you pump costs nothing and takes 2 seconds. Hack number 2. DIY car wash solution. Bottled car wash soap runs $15 or more with a lot of marketing and not much extra performance. Here's the deal. Mix a 1/4 cup of dish soap, a 1/4 cup of baking soda, and a bucket of warm water. The dish soap cuts through grease and road grime, while the baking soda adds gentle scrubbing power without scratching the paint. Wash with a microfiber mitt, rinse thoroughly, and dry with a clean towel. This full bucket of solution costs less than $1 to make and holds up well against most of what's sold at the auto parts store. Hack number 1. WD-40 Battery Corrosion Destroyer. That crusty white or blue buildup on your battery terminals isn't just ugly. It creates resistance that keeps your battery from charging properly and can eventually leave you stranded. Here's the deal. Disconnect the negative terminal first, spray WD-40 directly onto the corrosion, and let it sit for a few minutes. Scrub with an old toothbrush, wipe clean, then reconnect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative. A light spray of WD-40 on the clean terminals afterward helps prevent it from coming back. A can costs about $5 and handles this job for years. Shops charge $50 to $100 to do exactly this. How many of these did you already know? Drop a comment and let me know which one surprised you the most. If this video just saved you money on your next detail, hit that subscribe button for more content like this every week. Your wallet will genuinely thank you. And if you want more hacks like these, check out this next video.